Hello everyone, welcome back. So last time we add some index page or home page to our admin portal, and because we have a security layer, we wouldn't be able to see all the content. So let's just try to solve the problem by adding the security layer system. You can just pretty much copy from the previous bookstore the corresponding security configuration. For example, we have the security configuration here. So we just copy this config folder and into our admin portal. So that we have this file. Just need to change the package number, the package name. Also, we need to wire up the user service, the user security, security utility, and the user security services. So we're gonna copy the utility into our admin portal, and we don't need the mail constructor, so we're gonna just leave that. And we need the user security service. Okay, so that should be within the service folder. We're gonna create a service folder, a import service implementation folder, and paste that. Okay, and then we can Control-Shift-O to import the packages for user security service and use security utility. And now that we have the security configuration, we need to have the login page in this case. All right. And in the configuration, we are pointing to the login page by default for login. And we need to change that in our controller. So whenever you request mapping into a root, we're gonna go to home, that's good, but we still need to have the login page. So we're gonna add a login page here. And let's copy from this home to login. And because it's a backend user, it's just for admin use, we'll just keep it to the minimum. And we're gonna have we don't need the navigation bar because we're not displaying until the user has login. Okay. Otherwise, we'll just have a header displaying welcome to admin portal for this bookstore. And we are gonna put this text into the center, so we're gonna say center block. Give a horizontal line. And then we're gonna have an image. Add image logo.png. Class go to image responsive. Style equals to width, to limit the width of it. And after that, we're gonna have a division to display the login form. So this would be a class of row. Within the class of row, we'll have a division of class XS4 and offset of 4. So this will put the content in the middle. And we're gonna add some error messages. If, say, we have a parameter of error displayed, okay, this will pop up say invalid name and password, and we're gonna have another element saying that when the user has logged out. So just say you have been logged out. And after that, we're gonna have a form to submit the username and password. So this is pretty standard stuff. Sign in. Sign in heading, and please sign in. And we have the form group. The first one with the label or username, class equal to SR only, username. Input would be text. Class would be form control. Placeholder is username. Name equals to username. ID equals to username. Is this required? Yes. Autofocus. Let's just make it autofocus. Okay. And we'll have another form group for password. Type would be password. Oops. Placeholder, password. Use name, password, ID, password. Required? Required. Autofocus? No. And after that, we're gonna have a button to submit. Okay, so that's the login page. And now let's run that and take a look. There's some error? No, we're not going to proceed with errors. Let's bring up the console and try to find the problems. Does not match, okay, to user repository. This should be AdminPortal. And we don't have user repository defined, right? So we need to add that. So I'm gonna just type it again, as it's pretty simple. So this will be a good practice. Okay. Find by username. User. Find by username. String username. Okay. Let's delete this two line. Ctrl-Shift-O to import the correct package. Okay. Let's see, is there any other problems? Yeah, right here. So this should be AdminPortal utility. Alright, so we can start to run. Okay, now let's go take a look at AdminPortal. Okay, something is not right. First, let's take a look at our security config. So we have the CSS, image, and JS fonts, login, all those allowed. Let's come back, take a look at the console. Okay, it looks like some of the static content is not loaded. But we do, let's see whether we can access our hosted static file. Yes, we can. So it's just the path that we define in the header probably is not correct. Let's go take a look in the header. Okay, so here we are basically just looking for the root path, right? So it actually should be the context root path, not the localhost root path. So if we mark as this, should solve the problem. And let's take a look. Okay, that looks good. We can load the CSS file, and let's try to load the Bootstrap JavaScript file. So script source would be th:\add. Let's just replace this CDN content with local file, as we do have our local jQuery.min.js. Which should be, if you take a look, jQuery.min.js. Okay. So that's good. And it should redirect to login, right? So we need to specify the login home controller. And this will return login template. And in the security configuration, we're gonna get rid of the root path, as we don't want user to access that. And then we can okay, it looks like it's still accessing the root path. Let's just change a little bit. So whenever we visit the root, we're gonna do a redirect to the login path, okay? Or say home path. So when we come to a home, we're gonna display the home page in this case. All right. Okay, let's stop and rerun server. Okay, and come back and refresh the page. The login line 39 has some error. Let's go take a look. 39. Let's see what does the command console say. The element image must be terminated. Okay, we are using the closing tag for image. So where does the image come into play? The image is right here. Alright, and let's just rerun it. Okay, there we go. We have our login. So this looks like it's not using the container as expressed all the way to edge. So let's add a container to it to make it look better. Div plus container cut save format. Okay, that looks better. Alright, that's pretty much for this lesson. We will continue to add login functionality in the next lesson. See you guys in the next one. Bye.